Good evening time, everybody. I'm 018 here, Donkey Stomper. We got a Texas Star MC250. This is a test review for customers, repair review, whatever you want to call it. I checked everything out. Everything checks real good. I did put your lights in there for you, like you asked to. Let me turn on the power supply. Let's set my power supply up. We'll set about 14 volts. Oh yeah, guys, please take time to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you're not already. Please feel free to join up to our membership. Hopefully good things come out of that in the future. But anyway, back to this Texas Star MC. I was not going to buy them daggum lights from the park store, $5-10 a piece, or the Texas Star Pool, $5-10 a piece. So I took and pulled your old lights in and run wires in there. Put your lights in there. Excuse me, I sneezed a while ago. Got you all fixed up. I said you can see the wires were hooked up to hot, and then they go to ground. But I wasn't gonna buy them $5 lights. If there was $5 a piece, I'd been $5, $10, $15 worth of lights in this old amp. Alright guys, start looking straight through SWR. Hello worldwide, like we do. Let me turn down my other radio. Golly. 1, 2, worldwide. Alright, we're gonna turn him on high power. Input SWR, worldwide. We're running 13.8 volts. Hello, worldwide, high power 242. Input tune. We'll go to medium power. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Input tune, worldwide. Then we'll go to side band. If you got these two in on side band, you guys got another gear here. You can go side band, 1, 2, worldwide, do about 180 right there, just for side band. Okay, well, a lot of people don't know this. If you put that one and that one in, you go down another low gear. Hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, so you can go 140. Or you can go hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, you can go 182. Or you can go over here and go hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, here you can go 210. Or you can go high, hello, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 261. Well, she's in good shape, man. I've checked it all out. It's all ready to go. We'll get with you. I just thought I'd make a little repair review. You can see the meter works. Everything on it works. It's an odd, rare, old, good little box. I started to put you HG 2879s in there, but since we decided we was going to go with a different route for your driver, I decided to leave it alone. There she is, guys. Like I said, I sure appreciate you watching. Please take time to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you're not already subscribed, please take time to like, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please take time to join our membership. Maybe one day the membership will be something good. I plan for it too. I would love to see it get big and bring in some revenue and give you guys a lot of good gear, maybe some radios and mics and lanyards and everything. But like I said, we're going to get about, I'd say we're going to have 50 members on our membership, guys. I'm just going to tell you, we get 50 members in our membership, and there will be some stuff given away. Alrighty, guys, thanks for watching. Y'all take care. Go for the 10 018 Beavis, Donkey Stomper. Catch you later. Bye-bye.